In this video, we are going to focus on any problem. So when we applied a transactional outbox pattern, it is occurring a new problems. So what is the problem with the transactional outbox pattern? As you can see the slide, listen and polling outbox table is a problem for our current architecture. Because when we separating these table and event bus, there is a new services which name is message transmitter, and this should be read outbox table regular intervals, and this is a problem. So creating a new order record into order table and creating a new order created event in the outbox table is the same transactions. If one of the process is failed, this will be roll back the whole operation with following the ACID principles. So this is the benefit of the transaction outbox pattern. But after that, another service listen and polls the outbox table records and publish events to the separate processes. So the current architecture required additional microservices that listen and polls record from the outbox table, and after that publish the events to the event bus. So these become a problems, and here you can see the problems. First of all, these polling operation reduce the performance and error prone operations. We should identify the polling intervals and schedule these poll operations that is lead to errors and come with some performance problems. And also it is time wasting process during the polling, because when there is no record in the outbox table, we are requesting and polling these service requests for unnecessary invoking services, and these will be wasted resources because most of the polls don't return any update from the outbox table. And also we can say that consuming system resources unnecessary pull request, and polling is more resource incentive and it is wasted resources. Also polling can come with the latency overheaded. It can be reach the system limitations, and we can also see that it is added extra latency due to polling timeout operations. And one more item in here as a problem, we can say that polling cause additional dual write problem, because this service polls the request from the outbox table and after that publish the events to the event bus. So these read database and publish event operations can cause the dual write problem that we see in the previous videos. So this will lead to dual write problem again. So how can we solve these operations and these problems when we apply the transaction outbox pattern? The solution is using the CDC, which means change data capture with the outbox pattern.